Welcome to this Unity Quick Guide. In this video, we will be covering how to set up holidays in the Contact Center portal. Setting up holidays is an effective way of managing the availability of your contact center. Holidays overwrite established in-office profiles, ensuring that your contact center mirrors the availability of your business. To begin, start in the Contact Center portal dashboard and navigate to the Holidays icon at the top of the screen. This will take you to the Holidays page, where you can see currently set holidays, as well as edit, review and create new ones. The Holidays table will also display key information for each holiday, such as the creation level, which determines at what level of the contact center the holiday is created at. Holidays can be created at the group level and at a queue level. For more information on creation levels, please see the Unity Quick Guide on creation levels. The table further includes the inclusive dates, the associated in-office profile, and whether or not it is an annually reoccurring holiday. To create a new holiday, click on the Add Holiday button. This will take you to the holiday creation page. Here, you are given a number of options for creating your holiday. Firstly, you can set a name for your holiday. Next, you can choose between whether or not the holiday is a fixed day holiday, meaning it occurs on the same date annually, or if it is a floating day, which means it can occur on a different day annually. For now, we will keep this setting on fixed day, but we will demonstrate later how to assign a floating day. You can then set the start date and choose whether or not this holiday is a single day. If you toggle this option on, you will then be prompted to enter the end date. Next, you can toggle whether or not this is an annually reoccurring holiday or not. Finally, in the in-office profile section, you can decide whether or not this holiday will mean that your contact center is closed all day. If you toggle this option off, you will be able to set the starting time and ending time for in-office hours on the day of this holiday. To further demonstrate, we will now create a floating day holiday, and the example we will use is Thanksgiving. We will start by setting the name of this holiday as Thanksgiving. Next, we will select the option for a floating day holiday. This will present us with a series of options to specify when this floating day occurs. As Thanksgiving occurs on the fourth Thursday of November each year, we will select this from the drop-down lists. We will then select that this is an annually reoccurring holiday. And as we will be closed all day, there is no need to change the in-office hours option. Once happy with our holiday, the final step is to click on the Add Holiday button at the bottom of the screen. The holiday will now be available in the list of holidays. Thank you for watching this Unity Quick Guide. For more information and contact center tutorials, including how to build media streams and set up routing phases, a full Unity Quick Guide series is available.